If a customer rolls into your bays with a green valve cap on their tires, it may seem like a small detail, but it actually signals that there's something different inside the tire: nitrogen. The question is, why does nitrogen inflation matter, and how can dealers communicate its value to customers? Is it really all just hot air? Let's talk about that next. Compressed air is about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases. Inflating with nitrogen increases the nitrogen concentration to between 93 and 99%, reducing the proportion of oxygen and trace gases. Nitrogen molecules are larger than oxygen molecules, so they escape from tires more slowly. That means tires hold proper inflation longer. This brings up the conversation for the benefits of proper inflation with your customers. Data from the U.S. Department of Energy shows that every 1 psi drop of tire pressure across all 4 tires can cut fuel efficiency by 0.3%. That means even a slight drop in air pressure will add up to wasted money at the pump. The argument behind nitrogen is that while you still lose air, it happens slower than standard compressed air. Another advantage is nitrogen is drier compared to standard air, which reduces the risk of corrosion on wheels and TPMS sensors. Even with those benefits, nitrogen isn't usually something customers request on their own. However, dealers like you who take time to explain it often find customers are receptive. When customers understand that nitrogen inflation helps keep TPMS lights from coming on, they're much more likely to ask for it. Nitrogen is also most popular with drivers who invest in UHP or premium tires for those newer vehicles. These customers are more likely to pay attention to tire pressure and value the consistency nitrogen provides. Nitrogen-filled tires tend to maintain more stable pressure with less fluctuation as temperatures change, adding to your customers' peace of mind. From a cost perspective, nitrogen inflation is relatively inexpensive, often just a few dollars per tire. For drivers who are not strict about preventative maintenance, it acts as an affordable insurance against the effects of underinflation. Dealers also point out that the cost of equipment and fillers needed to generate nitrogen pays for itself over time. Once installed, the additional expense to the shop is minimal and can turn into a steady profit center, all while improving customer trust. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.